Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Tayo po'y binabalik nating Ebanghelyo sa silid na kung saan nakasama ni Jesus ang mga disipulo sa huling hapunan. Malapit na silang iwan ni Jesus dahil siya ay aarestuhin at ipapako na sa krus. We return to the place where Jesus and His disciples had their Last Supper, and Jesus will be leaving them to themselves. At ang mabinanggit ni Jesus at Ebanghelyo, ang kanyang bilin niya para sa mga disipulo. Naranasan niyo po ba ang pagbilinan ng iyong mga magulang? Naalala ko na ako'y bata, ang aking mga magulang ay mga nagtatrabaho, OFW. Kaya kami iniiwan sa mga mag-aalaga sa amin, babysitter. At bago kami iwan, kami binibilinan ng mga gagawin namin. Kapag nagutom, narito ang pagkain. Isara ang pinto, magpakabait, at huwag maging makulit. Higit sa lahat, kami sinasabihan na huwag malungkot. Dahil babalik kami upang sunduin kayo pagtapos ng araw. My parents were OFWs and we were being left behind to our caretakers. Before they were leaving, they would always leave instructions for us to follow. And at the end of the day, they would always remind us that they would return to fetch us again. At bilang mga bata, ito'y ang mga panahon na kami natatakot. Hindi namin maintindihan kung bakit kailangan nilang umalis at iwan kami. Saan ba sila pupunta? Bakit na lang hindi kami isama? As children, we would question our parents. We would be afraid. Why would they leave us to our caretakers? We see ourselves like St. Thomas in our gospel. Tulad ni Tomas, sinasabi namin, Panginoon, hindi namin alam kung saan kayo pupunta. Bakit kayo aalis? And like Jesus in our gospel, tulad na kanyang paghahanap buhay, na kailangan niyang umalis, like my parents who would go away. Kailangan nila umalis upang gawin nila ang kanilang kailangan gawin. Like Jesus who would suffer and die and rise again. My parents will also leave and do their work. At ito hindi namin maintindihan nung bata ako. Like the disciples who cannot understand what is happening. At sa gitna ng lahat ng ito, tayo sinasabi ni Jesus, do not let your hearts be troubled. You have faith in God, have faith also in me. I am the way and the truth and the life. At tama naman mga kapatid, kung si Jesus ang daan, paano po tayo maliligaw? Kung si Jesus ang katotohanan, paano po tayo malilito? At kung si Jesus ang buhay, ang pinagmumulan na buhay, bakit po tayo matatakot? Why would we be afraid if Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life? My dear brothers and sisters, this is what our faith teaches us, that God will not only be leaving us behind by ourselves, but God will always be there for us, leading us and bringing us near to Him always. All that we need to do is to continue to trust in Him despite our fears and doubts. To continue to trust in Him because He has already prepared a place for all of us. Lahat po tayo ay merong inihandang lugar para sa ating lahat. And may we not ever forget that the Lord has always been ready for us. May we always continue to trust in Him because He is the way, the truth, and the life. Let us not forget those words of Jesus and to trust in His wisdom. Amen.